favorite zombie snatcher. There's Bob. That's his favorite game. Holly's right there. She's actually pretty good at it. Someone just got the M. I just got 50, which I rarely ever win at this game. Oh look, the puck already came out. So it's the third. Robert just got 5. Was that the 5? No, he got 50. There's the zombie. No. This is 7.8 credits to play. I'm so not good at this. Oh, I just got 20. Robert just got 500. Oh my God. I knew Robert was going to win this game. 500. Oh. So if you get the zombie puck, that's 300. Oh, he missed it. My turn, my turn. Can I get it? Yes! I will have to say, that might be only the second time I've ever got the zombie puck. So that's giving me 300 tickets. Yay! That one took me like 4 tries, so feeling good over here. Robert just got something. When someone gets something, you can hear like a clicking sound, like it's adding to a register. Oh, that's the 500. He just missed the 500. Can I get the, oh, I missed it. So you can hear like when people around you get a puck. Someone just got a puck. Was that Holly? Did she just get, I don't see the 500. I think Holly just got the 500. Darn her. Did Holly just get the 500? I don't see it anymore. Darn her. Here's 250. Can I get 250? No. So Holly got the 500. Robert just got the 250. Ooh, darn him. See if I can get 100. Oh my God. That was a slow reaction. That was terrible. Oh, there's the 500. All right, the 500 is out again. It's a 250. I want the 500. Where is the 5? There's the 500 right there. Nope, I got 50. So Holly just got 100. Robert just got the 500. I think he just flipped me off. What a rude man. All right, they spit the pucks out again. Where is the zombie? There's the zombie. There's the zombie. Nope, I got nothing. Oh, it's so slow to, oh, there we go. You gotta wait till that lights up green. There's the zombie puck. Why? Oh, they just kicked the, oh, he just got the zombie. All right, one more. Now this is where it gets to get crazy. Whoever gets the next one gets the 1,000. Okay, here we go, here we go, here we go. All right. So it won't kick out until we win some stuff. There's the 500. Come on, I got 100. Holly just got, Robert just got something. Robert just got the 500. Darn you. I got 20. We want to win a bunch so we can kick that zombie out again. Wait, who got, what? What? She got the 500? Holly just got the 500. All right, all right, all right, all right.
Here they come. Here they come.
There's a 500. There's a 500 there. Oh, I just missed it. All right, so is it green? I gotta wait till it flashes green. Here we go. Nope, I missed it. Why is it not? Oh my God, did you see? I got 250. My arm is not working. My arm is not working.
Oh no!
I hate her. I'm switching arms. Every time I press, it did not work. I'm moving over here. I would press it and it wouldn't go. 100. All right, I just got 100. Oh my God, and now you see it starts all over 500. I'm not even, let's see how much money I got. How many credits do I got left? Because I feel like I spent, oh my God. I'm gonna be out in no time. I gotta play a different game. This is taking all my credits. Oh my God, look, the zombie puck is stuck. I just got 50. You gotta get more pucks to hit. Yeah, you gotta get more pucks to hit it out. All right, I'm gonna watch you two. Robert, oh, he almost got the 500. There's this boy over here. All right, this is why I don't like this game. They're all kicking 500. Holly and Robert are both really good at this. Okay, here it is. My arm, it wasn't working. Don't do this one. It took 2 double hits. Don't do that one. Yeah, it kept jamming on me. Oh, you just got 20. I don't like this one. It's distracting. No, I do. I understand.
You can't do it when somebody's right there.
Because if they hit the puck, it moves your flow.
Right, it throws your whole flow.
You got to be like spaced in between. I'll go to this one so I'm spaced in between. So now we're all got one person between us. $500, $500. Oh, this one is a little slower. Robert just got the 500. And I got nothing. I'm not playing this. I was doing better at that crappy Jelly Lab game. This is Holly and Robert's game for sure. They are killing it. They get a puck practically every single time. I don't. I'm gonna play piano keys. I'm actually good at that. All right, me and Holly are gonna do dodgeball together. I can't record this, but I'm gonna show her dodgeball. So I didn't get it in time. I got 126. She got 22. I only got 42 tickets, 8.1. Oh shit. Damn it, I just hit this. I'll play again with you. All right, we're gonna play it again. I'll record it this time. All right, I thought I was recording the last round. I was not. It goes 3 frames.
5, 10.
You got it. Okay. That looks good. No, see, if you get a strike, you get a bonus round. I got it. Let's see. Problem. Okay, here we go.
1.
Try it again.
Frame.
Oh, I did not get it. All right, so now I'm going to frame 2. I got 9, she got 6. And it can time out. I timed out last game because I was too busy explaining it. She got a strike, so she's gonna get golden pin round. So don't get distracted by talking. You will time out. Oh, I didn't get any, and she got like, oh, that was good. She probably got like 96. It's gonna be 96. I say 96. 93. Oh, I'm just doing terrible. See, of course, the best round was when I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. Holly did much better than me. All right, last.
7 pins.
Last try. No. All right, so last pin. Oh my God. I only got 22. You have to understand, the last time I got like 96. I got 22. She got 123. I look so bad.
You got 8 tickets.
8 tickets. That's ridiculous.
Don't touch mine.
All right, so if you're actually good at it,
42.
42. No, I mean, it's not the best game to win
But if you're
tickets.
playing against someone, it's fun.
But it's fun. But it's fun. Robert's been playing this the whole time. So, are you getting tickets? This is 6.9. Well, he made the leaderboard. I just wondered if it was a good one to win tickets. 6.9. Bowling is more expensive than throwing the axe. But he made the leaderboard, so he must be doing good. He made one.
I haven't gotten one.
He's been playing it a lot.
335 almost.
You're 5. Yeah, you're not that far behind.